Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan and into it add a teaspoon of minced garlic. Saute this for a few seconds before adding in a small onion that is sliced. Continue sauteing till the onions change color. Then add in 5 to 6 button mushrooms that are sliced. Fry them on high heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and half a teaspoon of oregano or mixed herbs. Mix this well. You can adjust the amount of salt to be added according to your taste. Cook this well, then add 1/4 cup of finely chopped dill leaves and mix it well and turn off the flame. If you do not have dill leaves, you can add coriander leaves. Now into a bowl, break in 2 eggs. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and whisk it well. Next, into a pan add around 1½ teaspoons of oil. Spread this across the pan. Then pour in the egg mixture and spread it evenly across the pan. Once it is half done, spread the sauteed mushrooms on one side of the omelette. Then sprinkle some grated cheese over this. I have used half a cup of cheese. You can add more cheese if you want to. Now carefully fold the other half of the omelette on top. Gently press on it, the cheese has to melt. Once it's ready, turn off the flame and transfer to a plate and enjoy your cheesy mushroom omelette.